All right. So, hello and namaste from Mumbai. I am Dr. Gaurang, a homeopathic practitioner based in Mumbai. And I'm here to talk to you about one of the most commonest health related issues um, that we see, and that is hemorrhoid piles, fissure, and fistula in ano. Normally, for this kind of treatment, um, one of the suggestions by most doctors is surgery. But I want to tell you that homeopathy has some very deep healing potential in such kind of cases, and most of the cases they do very well with certain homeopathic remedies and lifestyle changes that we suggest. So I'm going to talk to you about it, and I want to tell you that there is some remarkable treatments available for this. So hemorrhoids is basically kind of, you can see here how the pathology actually develops. That is due to there are two or three reasons for it. One is very often a kind of the entire structure is very weak. So there is a weak musculature, weak veins. Why this is important? Because we have certain homeopathic remedy that also work on the musculature, on the veins in that way. Hmm? And the other commonest cause actually is the lifestyle issue, because of which there is a constipation, either very hard stool or very soft stool, or maybe very loose stools. All this and straining can cause it. We have homeopathic remedies that can improve the digestion, the constipation, and the diarrhea. That's the idea. So what you will normally see is a kind of a cluster like veins develop around the rectum and the anus. There can be different types. There can be internal piles and external piles, and there can be different gradations of it. And you can see here how the grade 1 is, 2 is, 3 is, 4 is, and so on. Many causes. It's one of the commonest causes: digestive issues, lifestyle issues, prolonged sitting, low fiber diet. Pregnancy can cause a pressure on it as well. And although the most commonest one I've seen is sedentary lifestyle issues. There can be different symptoms. There can be bleeding, there can be pain, there can be itching, there can be swelling. Another very important kind of related illness that may look like hemorrhoids is fissures. And in some cases, you might see fissure and piles together. It can be due to a tear in the anus, and because there can be a lot of bleeding and extreme burning pain where the patient is really suffering a lot. Um, Another is fistula, where you can see what particularly happens is this kind of area here. There is a kind of structural develop where the passage gets infected, and the stool and the pus and the bleeding starts forming from here. This may also mimic hemorrhoids and fissure. In all of this, homeopathy has a remarkable treatment. The idea in homeopathy is to find the deeper remedy for the person. We try to study the entire case, the family history, the genetic history, the basic state of mind, the fears, the anxiety, the dreams. And understanding all of this, then we find a remedy for the person. And I just want to tell you a very remarkable case. I was treating of a very chronic hemorrhoids and chronic fissures, and in a man who was based in India. And he saw me, and he has tried everything, and he wanted to undergo surgery, but he wanted to give homeopathy a last chance. And when I studied his case, his main symptom was this a lot of feeling that what will others think about him. And he was a kind of person who was a very optimist, who was a very dictatorial, always thinking about himself, always boasting about himself, always making a lot of money, makes many plans. I want to do this, I want to do that. Very much affected by the warmth. He would do everything very fast, hurry, impatient. He would eat also very fast. And I analyzed his entire case and found lycopodium to be the remedy of choice. And with that, he has done so well. His entire pathology has remarkably improved. And not just this case, many cases, but every case requires another remedy. That's the whole thing about homeopathy. It's an individualistic, holistic treatment where, along with homeopathy, I also suggest, and we have a team here who suggests certain lifestyle changes and so on. So if you know anyone who has these issues and you want to take help of homeopathy, you can write to us. You have our email ID gaurang@gmail.com. The phone numbers are here, and take best benefits of homeopathy.